Shall I? Is it already going?
It is.
Okay. Hello, this is Nuria. Today I'm going to show you how to plant some sugar snap peas. They're a really good seed to plant if you've got children and you want to show them how things grow, because they don't take any time at all in showing up. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's go.
Let's go!
I'm going to have them all here, I guess. And maybe some here. With this. Right. We need these, and I think we'll do six, seven, eight. Right. So now this is easy because all we have to do is fill them up with soil. Right, so that's easy, so far so good. And then we take our little piece, take one, put it all the way down there. More. They're little peas, I know, that's what they are. Hopefully they'll germinate. We've done so well on the other ones. Water them with water inside. Lukewarm water. Just because I think that they like warmth. I think this should be enough. I like the cardboard to be sort of wet, but because we're putting a lid on it and it's going to be quite steamy in there, I think that would probably be enough. And your windowsill is really warm and hot, so that'll evaporate quite quickly. It's on your windowsill now. Should we put it there? Mm-hmm. Okay. So that's your new babies. Every day we need to check them, lift that up, and then we'll get them going. And your other ones are downstairs.
It's not for me to say you love.
So I hope you enjoyed the video about how to set the sugar snap pea seeds. Let me know what you've done in your garden, what you've planted this week. Have you planted anything? Have you set any seeds? And if you need any advice, as usual, just drop a message underneath the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so that you get my videos, and I'll see you soon. Take care, have fun in the garden. Bye bye. We will keep you updated on how they are doing. So I don't know what else to say. What else can I say? I hope you enjoyed the video about how to plant the seed. Oh.